Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be opening a homemade Pokemon booster pack. Sorry for the poor artwork. It took me 5 minutes to make this because I just scribbled everything because I'm in a rush. So I folded it like a normal booster pack, like where there's a flap here. And yeah, let's open this up. Free code. Oh, pause the video for the code. So we got a Seedot, a Timber, a Skitty, a Noibat, a Trubbish, Professor's Letter, Shuckle, Alamamala, Acrobike, and Charizard. People will be asking, what's the point? You just put cards in these packs. Well, I did this because some people in my videos just just say that they just ask for my Pokemon because they don't they're just asking in the giveaway because they don't have money to buy Pokemon, and so I'm doing this because I'm doing what they do, which when you get bored sometimes you tend to make your own Pokemon packs. If you don't buy new Pokemon packs, you just put your Pokemon cards and just put them in wrappers and just open them up again. But it usually gets boring, so at the same time, try finding something else to do, or try to color your own packs, so it's more fun. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day.